Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about how you can convert a quote into an invoice. Now let's imagine you created a quote and you sent it to a client, and after a few days they accepted it, and now you have to invoice them. So you don't need to create the quote again into an invoice. All the detail you have to put it into an invoice. You just have to convert that quote into an invoice in Xero very easily. So how can we do that? Let's jump back into action. Now, first I want to talk about how you can access to code. The first method is you go to business, and here you will see codes. And then it will show you all the codes. The next method is you need to click here, invoice O2. And you need to come right down here and codes see all. And you will see all your codes. Now let's check what's these the codes we have. This one is dropped, and this one we have sent it but not accepted right now, and this one is accepted, so we will talk about this one. So there is all the other options. You can say individually what are the drop one, what are the sent one, and the accepted one. Now you just need to click here and you can print it, you can delete it, and you can send it again, and also you can copy it to this, and you can also mark it as invoice. That is the best part, and it's invoice right away, and it will show right here. Now if you made a mistake, you can just right click here and unmark as invoice, and it will right back in here, and you can also open it. And from here you can check all the details and create invoice and mark as invoice. It will again go to invoices. It will show you the detail, and you just have to approve an email and approve. You have to and it's just invoice approved, and you can click here and mark it as sent. And when you come down again right here, it will be invoiced. You can click again and unmark it as an invoice, and you can also make it invoice from here as well. Sent, mark as invoice, unmark as accepted. You can do that as well. Mark it invoiced, and it will be invoiced. It is invoice, and you can also check it in invoices as well. Bayside wholesale. Look at this. This is the invoiced. This is the code we have just invoiced and sent it. And the best part here is Xero make all the history you have with these codes. Like if you open it the code and you click right here, history and notes. Look at this. Created on 9th April. Change from drop to sent, all the end. Whoever interact with it. And that's it, folks. With just few clicks, you transform that accepted quote into a real invoice. No need to start from scratch. The details, the number, everything seamlessly flows. It's like a magic, but better. It's efficiency. If you like this video and want to learn about more about Xero, hit the subscribe button, and I will come up with a lot of videos related to Xero, which can make you an expert at Xero. Thank you for watching.